Hi, welcome to the session. So in this particular session, we are going to see how to rename the column and how to rename the index. Okay. So we have a notepad here. In this particular notepad, we have a data frame name age city, the same data frame that we have seen previous session. So in this we have name age city. These are the column names and we have the indexes called A, B and C. Okay. So we have like row John 25 Delhi. So we have the rows. So we have the index. So we need to change the index and we need to change the column names. So let us start with the session. So let me open the spider. Before we start with the renaming the column or renaming the index, we have a data frame over here. So in this particular data frame, we have dictionary of list. So from this dictionary of list, we are creating the data frame. Okay, so you can see the data and we are passing this data as a parameter. So let me run this and we see, let me adjust this. So we see a data frame over here. Fine. So in this particular data frame, name, age, city. So let us change the name, age, okay, or let us say only the name we are going to change. So let me go to the question, the first question, rename the column, name to S name and age to S age. So first let us copy this particular question over here. So let me write only, I will change name to S name first, okay. So I have one method called, so let me type over here, df dot rename. I have a method called rename method. So in this, I need to say columns equal to, so I need to provide a dictionary over here. Dictionary, I need to give the key value pair. So what is the old name? That is a name. So I need to provide that here, name, and I will give here the new name, okay, key value pair, name and S name. S name. So I have given here and I want to make sure that I want to change it permanently. So I need to give in place equal to true. Okay. So once I have given this one, let me print the data frame. Let me print the data frame. Let me run this one and you can see we have successfully changed name to S name. Not only a single column name we can change multiple columns also. Let me say age, I want to change it to S age. So what I will do is I will add another key value pair, that is now the name of that particular column is age. So I need to provide here age, okay, and this is a key and the value for this is S age. Okay. So once we have done this one, let me run this one and you can see we have the old data frame over here and we have a new data frame over here with S name and S age. So we have successfully changed the columns. So in this way we can able to change the column names. Okay. Let me go to the second question. What is the second question? Rename the index A to 1 and B to 2. Okay. Let me copy this. Let me paste in my spider. Okay. So I'll make sure nothing is there here. So I have, I will use the same method, rename method. Now we are changing what? Index we are changing. Now I want to change A to 1. Let us assume I want to change A to 1. So what I will do is rename. So I will same like I need to provide here instead of columns, I need to provide what? Index. No, I'm changing the index. So that is index. Index equal to, I need to provide the key value pair. So what is the value of the index first one? I want to change, that is A. So I have changed to A. This is a key and the value is 1. So I have done that one. Then I will say here in place equal to true. So when I say this one, let me run this one. Let me run this and I can see it has changed to 1. Fine. The A has changed to 1. Similarly, I can do it. Let us say I can add another one key value pair B. I want to change to B to 2. Okay. Let me run this and you can see here we have 1 and 2. So A and B has changed to 1 and 2. So in this way we can able to rename the columns and we can rename the indexes. Okay. So by using what? Rename method. Okay. So we have to remember what? Index equal to and columns equal to. Fine. index for the index and to change columns, we need to say here columns, and we have a dictionary key value pair. So let us go to the next question. Now this is another method, rename columns to 1, 2, 3. Let me copy this. Let me close, let me paste over here. Let me run the thing here. Now I have original data frame. I want to change name to 1, age to 2, and city to 3. So another method is also there. I have to say df dot. If I want to change all the column names, I can use this directly with the list value providing 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me paste this print df and let us run this one, and you can see we have a old data frame, and the new data frame, the values of the columns have been changed. Sorry, the name of the columns has been changed to 1, 2, and 3. So let us go to the last question here. So I want to rename the indexes to 10, 20, 30. Let me copy this and paste over here. Now I need to change here what? I want to change the index to, let me close the console. Okay. I want to change to what? Index I want to change. So df dot index. So let me remove this. So I need to say what here? 10, 20, and 30. So let me run this one, and we can see 10, 20, 30 we have changed. So similarly, I can change the columns by saying here columns, or we can say df dot index. So we are changing only the indexes now. Okay. So in this way, we can change the column names and we can change the index names also. Okay. Thank you very much.